What's up guys, today I'm here with a new video and I just got a new package of my new boots and I was thinking because I haven't uploaded in 3 days, I just had in my mind that I'd open these for the video and so let's get this open. I could even open a flipping box like. Adidas Predators, I think. I don't care if it's. I don't really mind if they're not new or anything. My dad ordered these because it was my birthday, and I needed new boots. So yeah, let's get these open. It's so hard to open, man. There we go. Now, let's open these. Oh, yes. These are the new boots that I got. Oh, these are lovely looking, mate. Look at those. Oh, they're really nice looking. Oh, I even got my NH on it. For Nathan Harford, that's my name. Look. Oh, my God. These are so cool looking. Oh my God. Oh yes. Look, there's the studs. Yeah guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I might make a vlog down in my party. I'm going foot golf with my friends, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next video.